How to turn on page likes notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page likes notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Let's go back first. First thing, just click these three lines and then click pages and select your page, and then just click this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find the notifications. Click on it and click on Facebook, and here you will find the new likes. All you need to do, you will find it like that. All you need to do, just click on it if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.